After selecting your niche, the second step is to build an online store. So how can you build an online store? I will show you everything in this video, that how can you build an online store with little amount of money. So let's go to my computer screen, and there I will show you how you can build an online store. So to build an online store, you need 2 to 3 things. First is domain name. You'll have to have a domain name, and then you'll have to buy a hosting. So these 2 things are very important, and the most important thing is you'll have to buy a theme for your online store. You can get it for free, but I will recommend you to buy a theme from Theme Forest. Okay, so you are gonna have a domain name, and you're going to have hosting and then a theme for your online store. So how can you get a domain name and hosting? I have bought a hosting with hostinger.com. So you'll have to go to hostinger.com, and then you can see that you'll get a hosting from here. Okay, so cloud hosting, web hosting from Small. Okay, so you'll have to click here, web hosting, and then you'll have to get a hosting, shared hosting from hostinger.com. Okay, as you can see that premium hosting $2.99 per month. So you'll have to select this one. If you select this one, you can host 100 websites on this hosting, and if you select this hosting, you can only host 1 website on this hosting. So I have selected this one, $2.99 per month. So I have bought this, and I get free domain name with this, 1 free domain name for 1 year with this plan. I won't force you to buy hosting with Hostinger. You can buy from anywhere else. GoDaddy is there, Hostinger is there, Bluehost, and Hostinger, and many other hosting services are there. You can just go and buy some domain name and buy a hosting plan, and then after buying hosting and domain name, you'll have to go to Theme Forest for buying a theme for your e-commerce store. Okay, so from here you can see that there are e-commerce templates and WordPress themes. So what I will do is I will click here, and I will click here. So as you can see that there are many themes on this Theme Forest. You'll have to buy a theme of your choice, of your need, of your desire. So I have just bought a theme from this Theme Forest, Green Mart. I have, okay, I will show you. Okay, so I have just bought this theme for my e-commerce store. You have to buy a theme from this themeforest.net, and after purchasing the theme, what you have to do is you'll have to open your hosting plan. Okay, so Hostinger, I have just bought a website hosting from hostinger.com. You'll have to open. If you buy from GoDaddy, if you buy from SiteGround, you'll have to open that website. Okay, so I will log into my account. Okay, like you can see that this is my domain name, freetoolforyou.com. This is my domain name, and I have premium shared hosting plan on hostinger.com. So what I will do is I will install WordPress on this website, on this domain name, freetoolforyou.com. So if I open freetoolforyou.com right now, this is not establishing a database connection. So what I will do is I will click on this hosting, and I will click on this manage. Okay, now what I will do is I will install WordPress on this website, on this domain name. This is same for hostinger.com. This is same for SiteGround or GoDaddy or any other hosting plan you just bought from that website. So what you have to do is, like you can see that this is WordPress. So you have to install WordPress on this domain name. So what I will do is I will click on this auto installer. And from here, like you can see that WordPress optimized for smooth. So I will select this WordPress, and then, okay, so what I will do is I will select my name, matchless you. This is my name for my business. Okay. Now I'll click on this next button and save, and now what I will do is I will click on this install. Okay, now as you can see that it's done. My WordPress has been installed on my website. Now what I will do is I will open my WordPress website from here. So free tool for you /wp admin. Now what I will do is I will install my theme that I have just bought from themeforest.net on my WordPress website, so that my website will show on this domain name. Okay, from here go to appearance and themes. Okay, as you can see that freetoolforyou.com, this is my WordPress website, but this is not what I want. I haven't installed my theme here. So what I will do is I will go and I will create. So I will add my theme from here, upload theme. And from here, okay, so as you can see that this is my green mart theme. So what I will do is I will add a theme from here. Open. Okay, install now. Okay, theme installed successfully. So what I will do is I will install a child theme of this as well. So child theme is basically I will make changes on this version of my theme, child version. So what I will do is I will activate the child version of this theme. Okay, done. Now after doing that, if I refresh this page, like you can see that green mart, this is my theme and I have installed my theme. So now this next step is I will import demo data on this website. So how can I do that and what does that mean? Okay, so from appearance you'll have to go to theme setup from here, and then after that, like you can see that welcome to green mart and start and next. And okay, now as you can see that there are many things here. So what I will do is if I click on this watch demo online, so after importing data from this website, my website will look like this. So as you can see that menus and all the things and products here. So I don't have to customize whole website myself. I can just import demo data from this theme and I can just change the products. I can add products and I can change these things. I can change the menus and I can change the footers with my details, and my website is just live and I can start selling my products through my website. So what I will do is I will import the demo data from here. So okay, I will select. Okay, if I select this one, okay, if I select this one or this one. Okay, let's go with this one. It's done. So what I will do is I will click on this import. It's very simple and very easy. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click on this button and all things are done automatically. Okay, so now it will take some time to import the content, import the data, and after importing the data from this theme to your website will look like this. Okay, so as you can see that this is demo of green mart and your website will look like this. These products will be there. So what you have to do is after importing data, you'll have to customize your website, you'll have to add your data, and you'll have to delete these products from your website, from your WordPress, and you have to customize these things as well, and you have to enter your details here in the footer, and then you can generate sales through your website. So that's all for this video. In next video I will show you how you can customize your website and how you can add your products on this website, and how can you start promoting your product, and how can you start generating sales through your online store. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my next videos in this series. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.